Alright, so first of all, I'd like to say good morning to fellow candidates and the examiner. So today we will discuss about the Nature Society of our university in organizing Nature Week. So I will go first. The first suggestion is to organize a tree planting activity. In this activity, we can divide students into groups. Each groups will be given seeds to plant around the campus. This will be beneficial to everyone at the campus, as it will make the campus looks more aesthetically pleasing and provide oxygen for us to breathe. Also, planting trees will provide new biodiversity. Now, I will pass this to candidate B.
All right, thank you, candidate A. So today we will gonna be discuss and decide the best activity for the Nature Week. So my point is organize a trip to national park. The importance of trip to this and beneficial for to trip to this national park is first, national park is affordable. Then second, the trip of national park is convenient, and then we also can discover natural wonder, and then the trip to national park is encompass a wide variety of ecosystem, and then they are good for our health. For example, we can do hiking during the trip for Nature Week. Then for this trip, they also ideal for relaxation, and then there are something for everyone. Means this trip is for everyone. There are no what we call that. We have no. On other hand, of this experience and learning this trip, we can know about ecosystem. That's it from me. I will pass it to candidate C.
Okay, thank you for candidate B. Camping is an outdoor activity that involves spending time in nature, explore its different aspects, and doing a wide variety of activities. Individuals spend time in various natural settings and enjoy themselves by taking part in physical activities. Many people love camping because of the excitement, entertainment, and opportunities for what it presents. Others love it because of the exhilaration derived from sleeping outdoors, watching the sky at night, making campfire, and enjoying the cool breeze that is associated with natural settings. Camping involves several activities that include hiking, hunting, and fishing. Camping appeals to many people because of the variety it provides with regard to the activities that they can do. Camping is a financial advantage because it provides people with an opportunity to take vacation without spending a lot of money. Camping is a cheap and affordable alternative to traditional holidays because the cost of hotel is higher than the cost of camping. On the other hand, individuals prepare their own meals and as a result can save the money. Activities such as swimming, reading, hiking, and cycling save people a lot of money because they do not involve financial costs associated with vacation. People who go to national parks and public parks set up their tents anyway and do not incur any change. in commercial camping grounds, campers only pay a small fee that is less than the cost of staying in hotel. That's all about the camping trip to a forest reserve for a nature week. I hand it over to candidate D.
Thank you, candidate C. In my opinion, the best activity for the Nature Week is organizing a recycling day. It is because this activity can increase the knowledge of the student to conserve the natural resources, for example, timber, water, and mineral. Other than that, this recycling activity also can reduce the amount of waste that's sent to the landfills and incinerators. Besides, these activities these activities also can prevent the pollution of the waste. For example, for example, they can make a bottle plastic into a new product such as vest or any decorations. In my conclusion, my opinion, it is the best way to save the earth and more convenient way by having the student to work together as a team, and at the same time it can influence the other people to save our nature. That's it from my opinion.
All right. So we have come to our conclusion of this discussion. All of the candidates have elaborated on their suggestions in this natural society in organizing Nature Week. So let's first ask to question the candidate B on which suggestion that he prefers.
Thank you, candidate A. For my opinion, I gonna choose candidate C, which is camping, because the trip is so affordable. Then we can enjoy seeing ecosystem, and then we can feel the fresh air during the trip. So that's all from me. So I gonna pass to candidate C. What is your opinion for this trip?
Thank you, candidate B. For me, I choose camping is the best activities because we can spend time together and can do some activities like hiking and so on. But what's your opinion, candidate B?
I think I have to agree that camping is the best activities to do during the nature week. That's all.
All right. So all of us have give our opinion on which suggestion is the best for Nature Week. Majority chose pick camping as the best activity for Nature Week. Does everyone agree?
Yes, candidate A. I'm strongly agree with that.
How about candidate C
Yes, I agree.
and candidate D?
Yes, I definitely agree with that opinion.
So for our group discussion, we have concluded that camping is the best activity for Nature Week. Thank you.